Hello everybody, here in this video we will be doing another veggie meat recipe. Very simple one that everybody and even the kids will enjoy. So this is what it looks like. When it's dry, you have to soak it in warm water for at least 20 minutes. So here you go. You don't need to boil it, but you just have to let it soak in warm water. Then after that, you have to rinse it for at least 3 times to take out that starchy taste. You don't want to taste that one actually. And then what I'm going to do is I have this crispy fry seasoned breadcrumbs, or you can make your own as well, coating. But this is what we have in our cupboard, so I tried it. So you'll just have to roll it around like the usual, coat it until it's all done. So when you are done coating, you are going to deep fry it in your favorite oil. I use canola oil. We don't have much oil this time, but this will do. So when you are done with the other side, make sure that it's golden brown. You'll have to flip it over and do the other side. This is very easy. It's just like cooking your favorite chicken nuggets or fried chicken or anything fried, and it'll taste really good as well. So just after that, the usual, you have to strain it and put it in a plate. You can dip it in ketchup, gravy, vinegar, or any dip of your choice. So here it is, it's done, your fried veggie meat.